Hey guys, this is Nick with PhoneArena, and I'm here in Barcelona for MWC, where Asus just announced the new ZenFone 5 and ZenFone 5Q. These definitely aren't going to be the best smartphones ever made, but they could turn out to be among the better options in their price segments. The ZenFone 5 is without a doubt the more exciting of the two. The display fills up almost all of the front side, and there's only a notch here at the top for things like the earpiece and the front camera. Colors are bright and saturated, and we believe that most people would like this screen instantly when they see it. The ZenFone 5Q doesn't have a notch, but overall, the screen isn't as impressive with its qualities. It is pretty big though, and with high resolution. Both phones are covered by glass at the front and at the back. Fingerprints stick easily to them, which isn't cool, but we do like the way light is reflected from their surface. You also get fingerprint scanners and face unlock on both phones. The latest ZenFone 5 phones run a customized version of Android, and Asus has thrown in a lot of modifications. Some features, however, will make their way only to the ZenFone 5 and won't be available on the 5Q. Among them is what Asus calls artificial intelligence, which is a fancy term for smart features that we've already seen on other devices. For example, if you happen to be reading an article on the web, the phone will disable its screen timeout even if you're not interacting with the device. Also, the display would adapt its color temperature to the environment so that everything on it looks more natural. Asus has also added what it calls Zen-emoji, which are basically the company's take on Animoji. Asus says these can be used in chats and video conversations and even during livestream, although we're not quite sure what services these will be compatible with. We have dual cameras on both phones, one regular and one wide-angle that fits more people in the frame, but adds some distortion around corners. And while the ZenFone 5 has one camera at the front, the 5Q has two of them, one regular and one wide-angle. Both phones, however, will take portrait photos with blurred background with either their front or their main cameras. AI features are also built into the camera of the ZenFone 5. It can recognize 16 different scenes, and based on what it sees, it may choose to fine-tune aspects like the color balance, the exposure and the sharpness. Asus has our expectations set high for this camera and will surely be testing it once the phones are out in the coming weeks. And this was our quick look at the Asus ZenFone 5 and ZenFone 5Q. For more coverage from MWC 2018, check out our website phonearena.com.